Ready, do your thing.
So you just get the smaller side and then you put it on like so, and then you bring it up and then you'd get like a hijab magnet or a pin, and you would take these two front pieces and make sure to adjust it where your earrings show. Okay, and then you just take it and then you open the magnets. They're a little hard. And then you put this first magnet in the back, like put them together, and you would hold it and get the second magnet, and you would pin it together with the magnet. And then you would adjust it right here, make sure it looks good, and then just voila.